All right, and now it's time for another check on our first warning weather on this Mardi weekend. A lot of Mardi parties going on around.
Yes, you know what, I'm kind of jealous. We've been looking at a lot of people already going out to enjoy the parades. They are having a great weekend already, and it's only halfway over.
Yeah, they've started early this morning, some even 5 this morning that we saw in St. Charles lining up. So I think it's a tradition. This is what people do.
Well, we're a little chillier this morning in a few locations, or were a little chillier on the North Shore, where we started with temperatures in the upper 30s, but with the sunshine. Now it's very nice across the board. 57 Bogalusa, 60 in Galliano, 53 our current temperature in Belle Chase, 54 the current temperature in Biloxi. Currently right now at Louis Armstrong International Airport, 56 degrees with a dew point that's dropping. It's down at 32 right now. East to northeasterly wind at about 16 miles per hour. A little bit breezy right now, but we may have a few of these high clouds moving in late this morning and this afternoon. That's really going to be the only significant weather change that we'll see today. Those clouds just filtering the sunshine a touch. Now, it will be a little bit cooler than yesterday. Here's a cold front in the Gulf of Mexico. Not a strong cold front, but it moved through overnight. Here's another look at the water vapor imagery showing us that the moisture will increase a bit at the upper levels of the atmosphere, but no rain expected today. High temperature here, according to the computer model, should make it to the mid and upper 60s by 3 o'clock. A few of those high clouds moving through. No rain expected here in the short term. Tomorrow morning, again, a bit of a chilly start first thing in the morning. Close to 40 degrees maybe in Bogalusa. They got down to 38 this morning. So still jacket weather first thing in the morning. Close to 50 in the metro, I think, at 6 a.m. By tomorrow afternoon, actually, let's pause things here at the noon hour. It's going to be a pretty quick warm-up. Upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. High temperature making it to the low mid-70s. Then by 6 o'clock in the evening, temperatures still very warm in the 60s. You notice no significant rain on Monday. Good news. Now, here come the changes for us on Tuesday. See the clouds increase a little bit overnight. The winds are going to be quite a factor. A warm start, close to 60 in the morning. Pausing things here at the noon hour Fat Tuesday. Look how warm it gets. We're already in the upper 70s, even close to 80 in one or two spots. There's that strong southerly wind, which we'll talk more about in just a moment. Line of thunderstorms that you've heard about approaching by 3 o'clock. We could have a few scattered showers here on the North Shore. It looks like the majority of this rain is going to hold off until the evening. That's the current timing on these thunderstorms. Now, these storms could be on the strong side. They could contain some damaging winds. By 9 o'clock, you see that line well developed, exiting by about 11, 12 o'clock. So right now, looks like the majority of that rain is going to be happening during the evening. Here's our other concern, the wind. It is definitely going to be a factor. Let's look at the wind gusts as we go through the day. 9 a.m., wind gusts at about 25 miles per hour. By the noon hour, wind gusts up close to 30, even 35. 2 o'clock, wind gusts close to 40 miles per hour. 4 o'clock, similar scenario, wind gusts 36, 33, 36 miles per hour. I mention this because back in 2020, we had some parades canceled because of wind gusts in excess of 35 miles per hour. Something I'm sure officials are watching. Those winds going to be a factor all afternoon. So here's your forecast, your 7-day forecast, calling for a beautiful day today. 66 the high temperature, 73 tomorrow, another great day. Weather alert day tomorrow because of the thunderstorms. Most of them in the evening as of right now, but a very windy day as I showed you. Dry Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. WDSU, first warning weather.